Max here from All the Band Railways Exploring, and I'm in the Redstone Specials channel. So in this video, we're looking at this place, and it's been closed, but this is now converted into a restaurant. You can still explore the railways. So this one's the departures, or the underground station. Arrivals as well, departures. Comes out here. It's now gone. Been here since 1837. Okay, so this used to be an extremely big station. The tracks have been abandoned here, but not these ones. And this is what was that? What's that? It's just glowstone. Okay. It's like the London King's Cross station. And let's look at this one. McDonald's. Just another one here. The arrivals. The departures, I think. Departures, yep. And let's go and explore this place. Let's explore the outside. So, oh my goodness, I know this used to be a train shed. It's gone, and it's now a train bin or slash scrapyard company. You can explore it. See how abandoned it is. The station closed. Station closed, converted into a McDonald's takeaway restaurant. Put rest. There was no space to type in the whole word restaurant. So let's go here, exploring. Look at this. So, look, a tree spawned on top of a track only grew. It's been here for 184 years. 184 years ago, this was been here since or built. And just like a fancy tunnel way. Not that much of a tunnel, but yeah. The track platforms are kind of broken. The tracks are gone. This station is. Oh no, they've broken the sign. That's just platform 2. This is another tree grew on top of the track. And oh, this might be one of the stations. Oh yeah, this was one of the stations. The platforms were there. The tracks were here. This is where like a red activator thing to activate all the tracks like these ones, and some reason that happened. So some are still here. Some trains are even still here as well. This station is Sydenham Hill Station. Sydenham Hill Station. And let's go through here. And the tunnel's broken. This tree is spawned on the track. Let's go through this tunnel. This one's more clean. This station, Penn East Station. And yeah, loads of the tracks are broken. This was one of the most popular railways. MCPE Steam Railway. They were just a go-to. This is Kent House Station. and as you can see, tracks are broken here. Plants grew on top of them. So this station is wide open, but some like accidentally shot an arrow. It's never been collected. Oh, collected. Oh, I shouldn't have. No. Let me check my inventory. I collected 5 arrows today, guys. This one's Beckenham Junction Station. What happened here for some reason? It's for babies. I think it is. I don't know that much about this railway. No, it's been here since 2001, which was pretty cool. Very old railway station. This one is Shortland Station. I thought that said 5 seconds station. This thing is Tintini Prince Mabaho, like an old mansion. It was not this. It was a million times bigger than this. This is just the entranceway. And you see, loads of stuff are broken here. The tracks are broken. For such a long time. For some reason, there's lava over there. Bromley South Station. Next station. All these stations are super duper nearby. Next station is Bickley Station. Next station. Oh, that's the last station, Petswood. And the last station, maybe the first one if you started here. This one is Orpington Station. You can see it's everything broken here, nothing across there. So, by the way, the reason why they demolished this rail, they abandoned it because the owner is dead and buried somewhere underneath the tracks. Somewhere underneath one of those tracks. So, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to Redstone Special, my boy, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.